Hi, welcome to another Utah weather discussion. Today is Sunday, December 14th, 2025. We got an active weather week here, so let's get into it. So, dry conditions will last through the first half of the week, with any concerns really being focused on some valley inversions that might see some developing fog overnight. That threat will last through Tuesday, mainly for the valleys of northern Utah. Increased cloud cover is then expected through Monday with a passage of a dry and weak frontal system. Then things really get mixed up by Wednesday morning as a warm push of atmospheric river moisture will bring valley rain and mountain snow to northern Utah. Any significant impacts will stay north of I-70. Periods of snowfall are going to be getting heavy at times through this storm, with that 1 inch an hour rate threshold being met and exceeded at times. Currently thinking the highest snowfall totals will be around 4 to 7 inches, mainly over the upper Cottonwoods, upper Uintas, and upper Bear River range, with the snow elevation line starting around 8,500 feet, dropping to 6,000 feet briefly Wednesday early evening, which will be kind of the same time frame that the precipitation is really tapering off. From around 10 p.m. to midnight on Wednesday, dry conditions will start to fill back in. That'll last through much of Thursday. With another warm atmospheric river system reaching northern Utah again by Friday, lasting at times through Saturday. Some uncertainty on this forecast will still exist as the exact setup of that later weak system will determine the timing and exact impacts. Though we are likely to see several more inches of snowfall over the mountains, and valleys will yet again see just rain. So to take a look at this atmospheric river threat, we're going to go to the Center for Western Weather and Water Extremes. They put out this map essentially showing vapor transport, and they typically define it being an atmospheric river event once we get over 250 IVTs, which is a fancy way of measuring vapor transport. So just kind of, this is now here Sunday, and as we progress through the week, this will be that dry cold front passage on Monday, just bringing some cloud cover. You can see that blue shade over northern Utah, so really not bringing a whole lot of moisture. And then as we go forward into the week, this is going to be our setup for the Wednesday storm. Here we can see we're well into that atmospheric river category. And the other thing I wanted to point out is the rather zonal flow, meaning along lines of latitude. Really, this storm is going to be coming straight out of the west, maybe even slightly southwest. So really, I am expecting a lot of this moisture to be coming in quite warm, as we're not seeing our typical kind of northwesterly storm come in. And then as we go through Thursday, we see things drying back up. And then as we approach Friday and into the weekend, we can see that atmospheric river setting back up over northern Utah. And as always, if you have any weather questions or need a forecast update, please give us a call here at the number. Thanks.